Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Guys, today we will be making Southern Breakfast Skillet. It is quick, easy, and delicious. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would like you to please do so. Those who are here, guys, thank you so much for your support. Let's jump right into it. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So I am peeling the potatoes and I'm using 4 large potatoes. So after peeling and washing the potatoes, I am slicing it about 1/4 of an inch thick on my slicer. You can also use a knife. You can dice the potatoes however shape you would like to have them. And then you soak them in some water. I would have sliced 1 medium onion. I have some bell peppers and some yellow peppers. I'll be adding the bacon to the skillet so they can crisp up a little bit on both sides. I remove that and now I'm adding my smoked beef sausage. Give that a good stir. I'll let that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I will remove them from the pan. Now to that very pan, I will be adding some butter. Now I'll be adding my sliced onions. Give that a good stir. Now I'll be adding some garlic. Now to the bowl, I'll be adding some garlic chili oil to my potatoes. And that is after you drain the water off of the potatoes. I prefer to season my potatoes before I let them go in the skillet. So I'm adding black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'll give that a quick toss. Now I'm adding some chicken bouillon. Guys, this is a quick, easy, and delicious meal the entire family will definitely enjoy. So now I'm pouring that into the skillet with the onion and the garlic. And we're gonna stir everything up together. Now I'm adding my bell peppers and I'm adding my smoked sausage. Give that a quick toss. Now I'll be adding the bacon. Mix everything well. So you have options. If you're not a meat eater, you can omit the meat and just do the potatoes and onions and the rest of the vegetables also. Now I'll be adding my eggs. I just parted 3 holes there. I'm adding a little bit of salt on top of the eggs. Again, you can omit this part also. All right, eggs looking good. I did add some black pepper. Now I'm going in with my cheese and I'm using the 4 cheeses, the Mexican 4 cheese, and garnish with some parsley and serve. So guys, our breakfast skillet is ready. We're about to have a feast. Guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me today, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Those who are already here, guys, thank you so much for your support. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.